equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. This is a straightforward task that can significantly enhance the functionality of your device. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by ensuring your Dyson V10 is turned off and unplugged. Safety is paramount. Next, locate the screws that hold the trigger assembly in place. There are typically 2 screws on the back of the handle. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger assembly away from the handle. Be cautious not to force it, as there may be clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any additional screws or clips that may need to be released. Now, take a moment to clean the internal components of the handle. Use your soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will ensure that your new trigger operates smoothly. If you find this task too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. With the handle cleaned, it's time to install the new trigger. Align the new trigger assembly with the handle, ensuring that all clips and connectors are properly positioned. Gently push the assembly into place until you hear a click, indicating it is secured. Next, replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them carefully, ensuring not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Once the screws are in place, give the trigger a test pull to ensure it operates correctly. If you find that the trigger is still not functioning as expected, or if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum to a repair shop. Plus, with our service, there are no calls and no travel involved. After confirming that the trigger works, it's a good idea to check the overall condition of your vacuum. Inspect the filter and brush bar for any signs of wear or blockage. Regular maintenance can prolong the life of your Dyson V10. Finally, if you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We can provide you with an estimate based on the issues you're experiencing. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can keep your vacuum running efficiently for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.